To start, place rail on flat surface and insert 4-channel nuts with extended threads facing away from slotted hole. Insert rail end caps onto both sides of rail. Tighten rail end cap retaining screws. Repeat on opposite side. Then remove front and rear bed cap covers using flathead screwdriver. Place 3 alignment plates where bed cap covers were removed. Then align rail in long slotted holes over alignment plates. Cut, slit, and seal over 2 holes in alignment plates. Next, insert 2 carriage bolts into slits made in seal. Secure with 2 flat washers and 2 nylock flange nuts. Then fully tighten. Repeat on other end and again on opposite side. For remaining truck rack installation, refer to standard instructions.